Hi, Parker. I just wanted to touch base and thank you so much for sharing your video on concerns for climate change and how it's affecting um, folks that love to hunt and fish. And you're absolutely right. This is a serious issue that definitely has to be addressed. We see the rise of temperatures that are affecting lakes that can certainly affect reproduction of fish. And these are time-honored uh, experiences that people of all ages really enjoy. And the thing that I like about hunting, where I can take care of a sick animal in one day and then go hunting or fishing in the next, is because I'm utilizing every part of that animal. From their meat to their fur, whatever it is, nothing goes to waste. And I think you're similar in that way. So I love that you shared ways that people can get in touch with different organizations to address this, and really a great cause. Thank you so much for sharing.